Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to create an account on Yahoo Finance. It's just a few quick steps, so let's get started. First, open the Yahoo Finance app on your smartphone. If you have not downloaded it yet, you can just check out my previous video on how to download the app. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then select the sign up or sign it, whichever is present in your interface to create a new account. Then tap on the create an account option. Now fill in your details like your full name, current email address and birth year. Once all the detail is entered, tap on the next. After entering all your details, Yahoo will send a verification code in your email address. Go to your email address. Within it, look for the Yahoo. You can just copy the code and go back to the Yahoo app. Within it, copy paste or tap the 6-digit code and then tap next. Then please follow the on-screen instruction. Once you are verified, your Yahoo Finance account will be created. As you can see, I have successfully created my account. So I can now personalize my watch list, track stocks, follow markets, as well as get new latest finance news. And that's it. You have successfully created a Yahoo Finance app. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.